Welcome to the brand new series I'm adding to this channel, recipes that didn't work. The idea of publishing this video is quite simple, sharing the recipes that did not work for me but might have worked for you. I hope that you can share your knowledge so we can all learn together and make better recipes. Hopefully you will be encouraged to share and let us know where I went wrong. Let me start by saying, what was I aiming to achieve with this recipe? I was hoping to get a yogurt consistency of strawberries and chia seed, or blueberry and chia seed. But what I ended up with was something completely different. This is how I tried to make it. I started with cutting the strawberries. The shape can be any shape you like, round, lengthwise, small pieces. Then I added 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, thinking it would be enough to solidify the milk. I decided to use, with the strawberries, almond milk. If you plan to make this recipe or improve on this recipe, don't fill your jar all the way through. Start by filling it halfway through, then add in your strawberries. Once you finished adding the strawberries, now it's time to fill up the rest of the jar with the almond milk, up to the rim. Mix everything together. Make sure that there is no chia seed stuck at the bottom. I think what I did wrong with this recipe, I could have added more chia seeds. Probably about 10 tablespoons. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Could it have solidified? For the blueberry mixture, we added the same amount, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I decided to go with oat milk this time instead of almond, just because I thought it tasted better with the blueberry. Continue doing the same for the blueberry. Fill out the milk halfway through, then add a new blueberry. Fill it to the top with the rest of the oat milk, up to the rim. Mix it all well. Now that you have both jars, it's time to leave them in the fridge overnight. As you can clearly see, nothing is solidified. It's quite runny and liquidy. Let's try and serve it. That did not work for me. That was not good or tasty. I think I could have used some sweetener like honey or agave syrup. In case you are wondering the amount of fruits and milk you will need, it will all depend on the size of your jar. Just cut the amount that will fill the jar you have at home, whether it's a clip top jar like the one I have or a mason jar. Let's try the blueberry, maybe it's better. Hopefully you're releasing some nutrients into the milk. The blueberry also did not work for me. It wasn't that tasty. As you can see, a lot of the chia seed has ended up in the bottom. I tried adding some cornflakes and mix it all up. That barely make it tolerable. Here are my ideas for how to improve this recipe, and don't forget to share yours. I already discussed them. Add more chia seeds and use sweetener. Thank you for watching to the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends.